learning comes classical conditioning. It's the linkage or association between two or more stimuli, allowing us to anticipate events. Ivan Pavlov started this with his experiment in digestion of dogs. Now, Lauren here, helping me out, she's going to help me to acquisition, which means it's the initial stage where the neutral stimulus becomes linked to the conditioned stimulus. She's going to ring that bell throughout the episode, and I'm going to eat a Skittles, eventually allowing that to have an enforcement on that where I'm going to start salivating every time she rings that bell. Speaking of observational learning, aka social learning, it's a cognition that allows us to learn from others' experiences. So for example, when Lauren goes out in public like that, I learn from everybody laughing at her and the negative experiences not to go out in public like that.
Operant conditioning is a type of learning in which behavior is strengthened if followed by a reinforcer or diminished if followed by a punisher. Liz here fell asleep while I told her to go get some props. So in order to punish this behavior, I'm going to blow this French horn in her face. Let's see if it works. Liz, tell them about the law of something. Keep going with it.
Okay, well, the operant chamber is a box that B.F. Skinner used, and it has a little thing in it that animals, most likely mice, can press to gain food or water. It's much like a puzzle box for the animal. Punishment discourages behavior. Reinforcement encourages behavior.
I ain't done yet.
See, a negative punishment stipulates you take something away. Like a phone.
I forgot my lines.
Of course you did. Positive reinforcement, or positive punishment, states you add something negative. Like, Lauren, go do push-ups.
I mean, you know I really love it.
I was kidding. Negative reinforcement states you take something negative away. Like, I didn't actually make her do the push-ups. Now, positive reinforcement, because she loves it so much.
Oh, just so much.
Adds things to encourage the behavior, like cookies or muffins.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Because I really love these too.
Skittle. A reinforcement schedule is a pattern that defines how often a desired response will be reinforced. Two types of this are continual and partial, aka intermediate. In honor of this, I wrote an epic poem. Okay. Reinforcement of the fixed ratio kind where a response is only reinforced after a specific number of times.
Like every time I write 500 words in English, I should be reinforced with a cookie.
You should. Variable ratio schedule, in which reinforcement comes after an unpredictable number of times.
Like slot machines.
Fixed interval schedule, when reinforcement comes in specified elapsed amounts of time.
Okay, like every time I write 2 minutes in English, full 2 minutes, I should definitely get candy.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up! Just shut up. Lastly, the variable interval schedule, referring to differing times of reinforcement.
Like butterflies outside the window.
Actually, yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna scare Liz.
La 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 la.
Dude, chillax. It's just me. Here, take one of these. Wait.
I guess that whole instinctive drift thing is true about in stressful situations. You kind of rely on your instincts and forget about everything else. Like, why would there be a burglar in my house right now? Faster, stronger, more, come on, be manly!
I don't think this extrinsic motivation is working out for me.
Fine, you know what, whatever, I just don't care, just be...
That's right.
Skittle.
I believe more in the internal locus of control. Yeah, I can do this. Here we go. Alright. Got this berry. Oh my god. Oh, my intrinsic motivation sucks. Math homework. This is Liz attempting to alleviate the stress of her math homework by interacting with the stressor. This is called problem-focused coping.
This is Lauren using emotional-focused coping. She's attempting to alleviate the stressor of her math homework by focusing on herself and ignoring the stressor.
I'm not.
The table is this a thing?
Okay, so this whole episode I've been ringing this bell to create Liz to salivate.
Without the candy. Now, in this experiment, the neutral stimulus was the bell alone, and the unconditioned response was the naturally occurring response. So it was me salivating because of the food. Now, the unconditioned stimulus was what triggered the naturally occurring stimulus. So it was food alone. The conditioned response was the learned response to a previously neutral stimulus. So it was salivation because of the bell. Now, the conditioned stimulus, the originally irrelevant stimulus that now triggered the conditioned response, was the bell and the salivation that it caused me. Now, eventually, extinction will occur and this will no longer be relevant, but for now, when she rings the bell, salivation was caused.
One last time, Liz.